Santa Elena, which is a small village only about 45 minutes from the eastern side of Medellín. It is such a beautiful place. I was really surprised. I came up here in an Uber. It took just 45 minutes, and I found this place on Airbnb, and it was pure coincidence because the other places that I'd contacted didn't respond, but this was the first to reply, and I'm so happy that they did because it is so beautiful. It is so peaceful. I think you'd really enjoy it just to connect with nature and relax. This place is called Magic House. I'm going to show you inside in a moment. This place is so relaxing that I actually just don't want to talk. I just want to show you the nature, and yeah, I hope you get a sense of how amazing this place is, how relaxing it is, and how quiet it is. Completely surrounded by nature. It's amazing. It's so calm. Just listen. Although Santa Elena is close to Medellín, it's at a higher elevation in the mountains, so the weather is noticeably cooler, and I recommend bringing some warmer clothes with you. During my stay, by 4 p.m, it was already cold enough to light the fire and spend the evening inside the warm cabin, which ended up being a good idea because it rained the whole night. When the rain eventually stopped and the skies cleared, I was treated to this amazing sunrise. I woke up to enjoy a Colombian breakfast of a hot chocolate, arepas with cheese and scrambled eggs, papaya, fresh juice, and good Colombian coffee. So I'm off to a place called Monte Vivo, which is like a 2-hour hiking path. So it sounds really nice. I was recommended this place by some locals, and they told me it's a really nice place to take the dogs and go for a long walk around the town. So let's go. And you hear the silence. So quiet. Oh, I am tired. That was a long walk, maybe close to 2 hours. Not too difficult, but through some kind of muddy terrain. Not for everybody, but it was a nice way to see a bit of the town and some of the countryside. Some really beautiful scenery. I'm really tired. I'm off to go and get a cup of coffee in a local cafe, and then the rest of the day I'm just going to spend relaxing in my cabin. Muchas gracias. Okay, gracias. Muy amable. Gracias. And an amazing looking brownie. Good Colombian coffee. Yeah, I'm heading back to Medellín today, but there's just one more stop which I wanted to take you to. And we're going to the Mirador, which is the viewpoint or the lookout for Santa Elena. A few locals recommended this place to me. They said that it's a really good place to go and get some amazing views of the town, obviously, but a place that I can take my dogs, enjoy a nice lunch, and yeah, just get some more relaxation before heading back to Medellín. From the center of Santa Elena, it would take around an hour to walk to this viewpoint, but much faster in a taxi or a car. Just ask any local for directions to the Mirador Cerro Verde, and you will easily be able to follow the street signs which will lead you straight to the entrance. And check out those incredible views. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, and many more will be coming soon. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so you'll be the first to know when my next videos are released. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.